Brunches and holiday breakfasts don't have to be an ordeal for your main dish. Get in your eggs, potatoes, meat, and melty cheese in one easy breakfast casserole. Pair it with another easy carby counterpart, and you've got a tasty breakfast with minimal effort. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. In a large bowl, beat 12 eggs with half a cup of milk and set aside. I like to freshly grate my cheese and put my food processor to work, but you could certainly use bagged shredded cheese to save time. I used aged Swiss for mine. I just cut the 8-ounce block in half and sent it through the processor, and it was done in 20 seconds. Time to cook the bacon. You could use any kind of protein you choose here, like sausage or kielbasa or whatever you like. Remove the bacon to a paper towel and add your diced onion to the grease to saute until they're translucent. In a large bowl, add a 20-ounce bag of frozen hash browns. Then add your cooked onions, bacon or protein, and your eggs. Give it all a stir until completely coated, and then add half of your cheese, saving the other half back to top it. Season it with salt and pepper to taste, and give it a final stir. Spray a 13x9 dish and add the mixture to the dish and spread it out evenly. At this point, you could put it covered in the fridge until the next morning. Then make sure you put it on the counter for 15 minutes before putting it in the oven at 350 degrees. You'll bake that for 45 to 50 minutes or until the middle of the dish bounces back. Then top with the remaining cheese and put it back in the oven until it's melted. Use a knife around the edges to loosen the casserole, then carefully cut it into 8 equal squares and feed your hungry crowd. Look at that caramelized perfection. I call the corner piece. This easy breakfast casserole allows you to enjoy all of your favorite things about brunch without taking up precious time. Whether you make it ahead or put it together on the spot, you'll have plenty of time to enjoy family and friends without being stuck in the kitchen. See the description box for other breakfast suggestions. For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.